Hey, this is Larry Powell, and I just got this quick video done for you guys here. We're going to give you guys a quick website audit and go over the big three, which is content, citations, and backlinks, and how those can benefit your business and what those entail. We'll look at your competition and what they have going on for those big three, what you guys have to do to pass them up in the search results. So first off, looking at your guys' website, just a couple things right off the bat. First thing I notice is you guys do not have a secure website. This is very easy to do with a WordPress site, but you definitely want to have that SSL certificate in there. Some web browsers, actually, if you try to access a non-secure site, it'll actually pop up a warning and say, are you sure you want to go to this site? So it's just one of those things you definitely do not want to deter potential clients by not having that SSL certificate on here. Next, it is very easy to eliminate this home icon you guys have here. It would really clean up this home screen or this home page quite a bit if you guys didn't have this on here. And that's just one of those things you guys can change in your WordPress settings as well. Overall, your guys' site looks really nice. Very simple layout. Looks really good. So getting into the big three, first thing we're going to talk about is content. So Google is really looking for the sites that are establishing themselves as the resident experts on topics that people are searching for. So for you guys, it would be home automation. So with your guys' content, you guys do a really good job of really highlighting the different forms of home automation that you have accessible and really outlining the benefits of that. And you guys really do a good job of really talking about what you guys are selling for potential clients. Now, when I'm looking at a website, I really like to shoot for anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. Content on the other pages is really important as well, but this homepage, you have to kind of think of it as the main page that feeds your other pages. So you really want to put the most effort into this homepage because everything else kind of feeds off of this. So looking at content you guys currently have on this homepage, I believe I looked at it a second ago, and you guys are about 702 words right now. So I would definitely recommend increasing that content, and also make sure that you have all the different keywords you really want to be found for in this content as well. So I know you guys are based out of San Jose. I don't know what your guys' exact work area is as far as what cities you guys service, but having home automation San Jose or home automation California are definitely search terms that you guys want to be found for, and we'll look at some search terms here momentarily as well. But those are definitely things that are going to help you guys with your content and telling Google that you want to be found for those. So when people are making those searches on Google, you guys are getting pulled up in the search results. But overall, your guys' site looks really nice. Really like the color scheme you guys have going on. So looking at your guys' page you have here for your Shopify page, again, lots of content on here, which is fantastic. There's not as much SEO that goes into, or search engine optimization, which is the process of actually getting your website to outrank your competitors. There's not as much that goes into this, but you really do want to have your product descriptions. You still want to make sure you're getting your keywords in there as well. And that goes the same for your catalog page as well. There's a lot of SEO you can do on this for your product descriptions to really make sure you're optimizing those for Google search. But overall, you guys have a really nice site. It looks really good. So looking at the back end of your site, we're going to look now at backlinks. And this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what this allows me to do is see what you guys have going on for backlinks. The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And you have a lesser popular kid in school. We'll call him, the first one's website A, and then we'll call the lesser popular kid in school. We'll call him website B. And pretty much what we're trying to do here is get popularity votes from that most popular kid over to website B, and in turn that brings up the popularity of your site and makes it look more popular in Google's eyes and brings you up over your competitors in the search rankings. So for you guys, you currently have 44 backlinks. You're not ranking for any keywords currently, and this doesn't really show, there's some other stuff out there. This is relatively accurate, but this isn't showing any organic traffic currently coming to your guys' website. So looking at what your competition has going on compared to yours, I searched up smart home companies in California. So looking at the results for that, We don't include Home Advisor in this just because Google really prefers to rank the small businesses over large national sites like this. So we're going to look at DSilt first. So looking at their website, they have a lot going on here. Content-wise, very lacking. You guys are definitely beating them out in content. They do have a good-looking site, though. You know, this is really nice looking, really draws that viewer in there as the first thing they're seeing. But content-wise, they do not have much on here. Looking at the back end of their site for backlinks, we can see they currently have 3,500 backlinks, which the first thing that pops into my mind, in my realm, when you have that many backlinks, is some of these are probably spammy. So looking at the backlinks they actually have, you know, we can see decoration. I mean, this isn't even a US based website, so that's definitely kind of spammy. Google really likes it to be location relevant when you're getting backlinks, so that's not going to help these guys at all. Andrew's audio hi-fi links, that's not bad. But what's nice is we can actually go in here and look at what your competition has and copycat a lot of these same backlinks to where you guys are able to match those same backlinks and, you know, pick and choose the ones you guys actually want. Yellow Pages is a great one. So you can actually go through and copycat these backlinks and try to get a link for your website from these same sources. Looking back at the main page here, we can also see that they're ranking for 247 keywords, so Google's finding them for that many search terms, and they have 57 people a month coming to their website. So looking at some of the search terms they're currently ranking for, a lot of it's brand relevant, so DSI luxury technology, DSI California, but home automation California, this is getting 20 searches per month. So that would be a great one for you guys to try to pick up for your business. Home automation Los Angeles, 40 searches per month. Home lighting automation, 200 searches per month. Home automation lights, 150. These are definitely great search terms that you guys should be trying to get your business ranked for. And that's as simple as just getting that in-net content on your website to where Google knows those are actually services that you guys are offering. Light automation for home, 40 searches. Home control system, 600 searches per month. Smart home control, 80 searches. There's a lot of potential there for your guys' business and generating a lot of new clients just by targeting those keywords. So looking at the next website down, this is another one of your competitors above grade. And these are all of California. This isn't just San Jose. But looking at their website, really nice looking site. Not hardly any content on here at all. So definitely one of those things that if you guys really optimize that content, you guys would be beating them out no problem content wise. Looking at the back end of their site, so again, 10.8 thousand backlinks. They're getting found for 139 keywords, and we can see the organic traffic, they're only getting 9 people per month. We can take a peek at some of the keywords they're getting found for. California smart homes again. Smart home projects, home automation projects. So in my realm, what I really try to target is service plus city. So for the cities you guys are wanting to target, so home automation San Jose, or you know, light automation San Jose, if those are the city, if that's the city you guys really want to go after. But those are the kind of keywords you guys really want to target, because those are going to have buyer intent behind them. When people are making those searches on Google, that's going to be from people who are actually looking for people to come out and do that for their house. The last thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is citations. So going back over here to the Google search results, getting your business in this 3-pack or GMB is going to be very valuable for your business. And this is all of California. This is showing here for the search term Smart Home Companies California. So one of the biggest factors in getting your business into this is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number. You can find these, you can list these on directory sites like Yelp, Yellow Book, even a Facebook page. If you list your business address, can count for a citation source for your business. We actually have a tool we use called WhiteSpark, and what this allows us to do is go through and see what citations your competition currently has, so that you guys can, you know, outdo them in every way possible. So we can see Smart Home Technologies, which was this first or the second one right here. We can see that they have 18 backlink or citation sources, and we can actually go through here and see which citation sources they have again because a very easy way to do this is just to copycat what your competition has. But again, we don't want to just copycat. We want to make sure that we have more than what they have as well. So for them to have 18 citation sources right now, for you guys to go out there and get 60 would be very doable. I mean, I've seen as many as 130 citations on some of these that I've looked at before, but would be very doable for you guys and give you guys, you know, a good head start on getting into this 3-pack. We can see Smart Home California. They only had 9 citation sources, so not a lot there as well. So just to summarize everything one more time, first off is going to be content and some, you know, very minor tweaks on this homepage. You know, something else you guys could do that would really help you out is a contact form on this homepage. You guys don't have any kind of contact on here, so if that is something you guys are wanting people to be able to get a hold of you, a contact form would really help with conversions once people are coming to your site. But this does minor tweaks there. Content, you know, getting that content a little more added to it, in my opinion, would really help you guys out. And then just making sure you really have those search terms in there that you want to be found for. Backlinks, getting high quality backlinks pointed towards your site. They're going to be niche relevant. So something related to the home automation industry would really, you know, carry a lot of weight in Google's eyes. And then citations. Citations is going to really drive that website and your company into this 3-pack, which could generate a lot of search traffic for you guys as well. If you have any questions on this, definitely feel free to reach out, and I'd love to talk to you guys more. Sorry for the length of this video, got a little bit long, but I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you.